this is where we go back in 2004, where by mistake, Mark Zuckerberg identified Facebook. Dumped by his girlfriend, he formed Facebook. So again, no, woman create, woman destroy. It's a true story, so take care. So coming back, when he formed, and he immediately writes some of the text to his friend. This is the transcript. So this is what he writes to his friend. We run through together. So if you ever need info about anyone at Harvard, just ask me. I have over 4,000 emails, picture and addresses of the Harvard students and the professors. His friend asked, what, how did you manage that one? He said, people just submitted it. And I don't know why they submitted, but they trust me. And that's where you can see the sarcastic tone in his statement. They trust me. You trust Facebook. And I am surprised. Post Cambridge Analytica, I thought there are so many people who will get out from Facebook and WhatsApp, but no, they are still continuing. Why? Because if they don't exist on Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, then what they will do in their life? They have no idea. So say, let's take a risk, continue. And that's the reason people cannot get out of them. I have been telling since last 3 to 4 years to the people that WhatsApp, hack your phone. They go, don't, ध्यान से मत सुनना, we are just joking, so don't take it seriously. तुम्हारा फोन हैक है, तुम्हारे पिक्चर्स मार्केट में जा रहे हैं, तुम्हारे कन्वर्सेशंस मार्केट में जा रहे हैं, तुम यहाँ पे बैठे हो, किसी को मालूम है. So if someone who is sharp and smart enough get into what you have been doing, you are gone. You are gone. And I am not threatening you. I'll give you an example when you start realizing your life has been exposed like anything. So this is the basic reason. See, he never realized why he formed Facebook. But ये हुआ क्या, गलती से किसी ने बना लिया, लोगों ने ले लिया तो चालू हो गया. You understand? एंट्री में आते वक्त किसी ने झाड़ू दीवार पे रखा है और कोई इसका फोटो निकाल के उसको व्हाट्सएप पे डाल दे, मॉडर्न आर्ट available for auction. I have a doubt people may bid 5 lakh, 1 crore rupee for that. So what I am trying to tell you is, he had no intention of bringing this to you. He had an intention to prove to his girlfriend that I am a very competent person. So he formed this. In a process, world and Indians started suffering. And you suffer. We'll see it. You suffer. You will not accept this. And then, post Facebook, there is a beautiful or worst thing happen. Scrolling. People scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll. And they never feel satisfied with their scrolling, because the moment they complete one scrolling, they go to the next scrolling. And they find something, again they move further, and there's no end to it. So, when a Facebook got invented, lots of people started joining, which gets supported in the scrolling. So when you scroll, you need a data. So you need a content. Is where someone started putting content. Now those content and the scrolling and the Facebook started generating lots of data. Facebook says, I want to earn money. What shall I do? So he said, I have a data. So what to be done? So let's just sell this data to the people. To whom? The people who want to market, the people who want to advertise, the people who are going to push their product into the customer's mind. I'll get money out of that. So they started subsequently selling data. Now how this data evolved is the next.